Alright, today I decided to make some bagel chips. If you've never heard of bagel chips, they are quite simply bagels turned into chips. Super easy to make. Late night or in the morning, just something easy to munch on, especially if you love bagels. I've been known to have bagels for dessert. I love bagels so much. So what better way to turn them into an extra snack you can have throughout the day other than just for breakfast? You're gonna cut them nice and thin. The knife, with a nice sharp bread knife. You can use any type of bagels you want, any type of cream cheese you want on the side. That is totally up to you. I usually go with plain and maybe an everything. Some sort of plain or onion or veggie cream cheese. But you could also do cinnamon raisin with a strawberry cream cheese, or I mean not even cream cheese, you can do jam or anything else that you would want to dip them in. Once you have your giant pile of sliced bagels, you are simply going to put those on a cookie sheet or multiple cookie sheets, depending on how many you make. You don't want to overload it, but you can put quite a few on. Make sure to spread them out. This is probably a little tight. Might want to put a little less on here, but this will also do. Make sure your oven's preheated to 350, and you wait, and you wait, and you wait, and then you check on them. Tops are getting crispy, the bottoms are still spongy. Just kind of like you would fries or something, to make sure they're all getting crispy. Just give them a little mix. Get yourself a small bowl of cream cheese. Just take a brick, mix it up, put it in a bowl, set it aside. Alright, this time out of the oven, break them up, give them a good flip around, just like before. But this time I like to let them sit and dry out a little bit on top of the oven for maybe like 10 minutes. And then put them back in one last time for another 10 minutes. And they should be crisp enough to be bagel chips by then. Let's see. All right, now that your bagel chips have probably been sitting, all the moisture's out of them. They've gotten nice and dry and crispy and chippy. Grab some of your bagel chips, put them on a platter, cutting board, bowl, plate, whatever the heck you want. Grab your cream cheese dip. Give it one last swirl around. And there you go. Quick, easy, delicious munchie. Super crunchy. Alright, I'm gonna go munch on these. You guys have a good one. Give them a try, let me know what you think.